Hey guys, slightly after 9 o'clock here, and the morning rush hour is just about done. Today we're going to rewire this signal. There's two reasons we're doing this. One, there is a bug in the controller software that, for some reason, when the scenario is perfect, or should I say imperfect, the left turn movement here skips the yellow arrow. Now right now I've got the conflict monitor set up to bypass this fault, because if not, this thing would be on flash all the time, and we don't want that. The other reason is if you look at the lane configuration here, you've got dual lefts, and you've got a through movement, and then you got a right turn movement. And if you see on the other side, you've got two through lanes over there. So as a driver, along with the placement of the indications and the signage, it's a little confusing. Now, how we're gonna fix that today is we're gonna set that up to be a split phase operation. And how that works is the through and the lefts for this direction will come up. And if the demand is present on the other side, we'll bring up the lefts and throughs on that direction. It's not very efficient. It's not my most favorite setup, but it's going to resolve two problems. Now, if you're interested in exactly how we're doing this, I'll leave a link in the description below, and I will send over step-by-step instructions of exactly how we're doing this. This might be helpful to you if you're already in the traffic signal world, or if you're looking to get into the traffic signal world and you want to know one of the many things we do day in and day out. This might give you some insight. Let's get started. Okay, we're on flash. Okay, we've got phase 4 walk and don't walk in place, and we're gonna move our phase 3 walk to our load switch 16. I'm modifying the conflict monitor card so that our new setup is going to be monitored correctly. Got a new controller here that I already tested on my test board, ran it through a bunch of times with the new timing, and it's running fine now. We no longer have the yellow arrow skipping, so this should be good to put in this cabinet. Yep, I'm so sorry. All right, guys, you see this was a success here. We got all the left turning through movements coming up on this direction. And then after this terminates out here in a second, we're gonna go ahead and go over to the other side and service that full direction of green, left turn and through. And this is gonna be the new operation. Like I said, it solved two problems though, and that's what we were looking for. I had to make a few modifications, which for the PEDs, but like I said, if you want to know more information about what we did here, links in the description. Feel free to download it and become a little bit smarter. All right, we'll see you. Bye.